Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the can't add phone number to Steam issue. Now the first thing you can try is to of course check your internet connection. So just ensure that you have a stable connection, as sometimes connectivity issues can prevent changes from being saved. And then make sure your Steam client is up to date. You can check for updates by going to the Steam menu and selecting Check for Steam Client Updates. Next, you can try clearing your Steam cache. So just head to Steam Settings, then Downloads, and click on Clear Download Cache. Also, you can try ensuring your email address is verified. Steam may require a verified email before allowing you to add a phone number. Now, if the Steam client isn't working, try adding your phone number through the Steam website. Log into your account, go to account details, and then manage your phone number. And then you can also try checking for restrictions. So make sure there are no restrictions on your account that might prevent you from adding a phone number. This can include account locks or bans. And then finally, if none of the above steps work, you may need to contact Steam support for further assistance. They can help resolve issues specific to your account. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.